Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles, where we dive into the future of high-performance machines, rugged off-road warriors, and the baddest trucks hitting the market. And today, buckle up, because Toyota just dropped a bombshell. We're talking about the all-new next-generation 2036 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And trust me, this beast is not just a truck, it's an off-road revolution. Exterior design, rugged evolution. Host. Let's kick things off with the design. And folks, this thing looks like it was built to conquer Mars. The 2036 Tacoma TRD Pro has been sculpted for serious off-road domination. It features a fully redesigned exoskeleton-inspired body, ultra-aggressive stance, and active aero fenders that adjust based on terrain. The front fascia? Pure menace. C-shaped adaptive LED headlights, a high-mounted snorkel-style air intake, and a bold, blacked-out grille with a glowing red TRD badge. It rides higher than ever with massive 37-inch terrain claw tires, a reinforced aluminum carbon skid plate, and a rear that screams utility, complete with a modular tailgate and retractable tow hooks. It's a truck built to go places where roads don't exist. Interior design, futuristic and tactical. Host. Step inside and you'll swear you've entered the cockpit of a sci-fi war machine. The 2036 TRD Pro's cabin is all about rugged luxury. It's got a fully digital command center including a curved 20-inch off-road HUD, haptic response controls, and a TRD Pro-specific terrain management system you control with your fingertips. The steering wheel? Flat-bottomed, heated, and integrated with biometric sensors to monitor your focus and heart rate during extreme trails. The seats are Recaro style with memory foam inserts, red TRD stitching, and high-grip bolstering. And, yes, it's loaded with eco-friendly vegan leather and recycled carbon composite trim. It's tough, it's techy, it's ready for battle. Performance, hybrid beast mode. Host. Now let's talk power, because the 2036 TRD Pro doesn't just look mean, it is mean. Under the hood, Toyota has gone hybrid, but not the kind you're thinking. This truck is powered by a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 paired with a dual-motor EAWD system, cranking out a jaw-dropping 565 horsepower and 635 lb-ft of torque. It uses Toyota's GR hybrid performance platform with active torque vectoring adaptive terrain scanning, a new TRD Skylift suspension that auto-adjusts height up to 4 inches, and yes, 0 to 60 in under 4.8 seconds in off-road trim. It's a desert runner, a rock crawler, and a highway monster all in one. Safety and tech, tactical intelligence. Host. Safety. This truck is basically a rolling AI guardian angel. Toyota's latest Guardian Pro Plus system includes predictive off-road crash mitigation, LiDAR-powered terrain mapping, multi-drone aerial trail scanning, auto-evasion technology for rocks, trees, and get this, wildlife inside. It's got full 360 camera projection, biometric driver recognition, voice-activated trail mode, and even a survival mode that deploys a signal beacon if you lose all communication in the wild. Overall, impression, future of off-roading. Host. The 2036 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro isn't just a pickup truck, it's the future of off-road adventure. It's smarter, faster, stronger, and more adaptable than anything we've seen before. Toyota didn't just improve the Tacoma, they reimagined it. For fans of rugged power, cutting-edge tech, and next-gen design, this is the truck that sets the bar. The future is here, and it rides on 37-inch tires. Outro. Rolling slow-motion shots of the Tacoma conquering trails. Host. What do you think of the new 2036 Tacoma TRD Pro? Is it the king of off-road trucks or what? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to USA Dream Vehicles for more insane automotive reveals you won't want to miss. Until next time, stay unstoppable. Would you like a clickbait title, short description, and hashtags plus keywords to go with this video too?